Top facts about Amazon forest. Welcome to the vast, vibrant Amazon forest, the world's largest tropical rainforest. Spanning 9 countries, it's a biodiversity hotspot. It's home to a staggering 400 billion individual trees, representing over 16,000 species. A true botanical wonder. Amazon's fauna is as diverse. With over 2.5 million insect species, 2,000 birds, and mammals, it's wildlife paradise. It's also the green lung of Earth, producing 20% of our oxygen. Hence, it's nicknamed the planet's lungs. However, deforestation threatens this global treasure. So, let's unite to protect this vital ecosystem for future generations.